This week, I'm going to talk about what's been going on in markets, our views on European equities, and the new Coutts Luxury Price Index. Summer is typically a quiet time in financial markets, but that wasn't the case last week. The U.S. Federal Reserve announced that they were holding interest rates flat, as was widely expected, but they also hinted that they're going to start reducing the size of their balance sheet in September. This caused the US dollar to fall against most major currencies, including the pound and the euro. In equity markets, companies are reporting their second quarter earnings. It's early days still, but in Europe so far, 40% of companies have reported earnings, and of those, just over half have beat analyst estimates. European equities have performed well this year, boosted by improving company earnings and the defeat of extremist political parties in France and in the Netherlands. We continue to like the region because of its inexpensive valuations and improving economic data. However, as part of our investment process, we constantly analyze new market developments and political developments in order to challenge our views. The next political event we'll be watching is the German election on the 24th of September. Angela Merkel's party is widely expected to retain power. Now moving on to the Coutts Luxury Price Index, which we launched last week. Everyone's rate of inflation is different depending on how they spend their money. We decided to analyze our customer spending data and create an index for luxury goods in order to help our clients better understand their own personal rate of inflation. The results show that in the 12 months to May this year, the UK Consumer Price Index, which tracks everyday items, was up 2.9%, whereas the Coutts Luxury Price Index was up 6.2%. That's more than double the everyday index. This means that if you spend half of your money on everyday items and half of your money on luxury goods, your own personal rate of inflation would be 4.6%, or halfway between the two indices. You can find out more about our research on Coutts.com. This will be our last video until September, so I want to wish you all an enjoyable summer, whether you're spending it on a holiday or at home.